Imagine yourself in this 2007 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo, power steering, air conditioning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.